this is MartinBissettnerf reviews. This is the Nerf for the N-Strike Elite Strong Arm versus the N-Strike Elite Mega Series Thunderbow. I push that bullet in. Okay, this is going to be an epic battle. I hope you like it, and please click that subscribe button. Okay, come on you guys. Quick reloading system. Come here, you guys, attack! I'm all out! Slam fire! If you are hit, you're out. Oh yeah. Slam fire on him! Do you have ammo?
Yes, a little bit.
How many?
3.
Are you dead? Are you bleeding?
Yes, a little bit. On my shoulder. Got him on the back. He's out. Got him in the heart.
Ah! And you're shot! Headshot!
Oh!
You are dead! Stephanus is the winner. Daniel is dead. Stephanus gave him a nickel headshot. Sorry guys, I can't. Oh, the heck? Vince the Funnest is the winner. Thank you guys. Wait, he's still alive. Oh, he's dead. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and tell some people I'm doing reviews and wars and anything like that, and combos or whatever. Thank you guys, you're the best. I'm signing off.